One nursing mother don come outside say her pikin papa don kidnap her pikin. I no know if una understand. That means person wey she born this pikin for, the man don carry the pikin run. This pikin now wey they say this baby na 11 months old. I no come understand how 11 months old go just disappear. But as the matter be, this girl wey they call her Diana Ebuoluwa, when she said she be graduate of Ekiti State University, say she and this guy been dey date. This boy toast her. This boy name wey be Ibrahim Oladipupo. Say this boy toast her. She can't gree. Two of them they date themselves as they love. Nobody dey there. But as matter don't come gas now, she can't come outside say the man don't thief her pikin. Now this whole love, as they chop this love, now there belle con enter. As the belle enter, this girl now can't tell the boy say, Oga o, as you do the thing, this thing don't turn to pikin. But this boy talk say him no want to, say no be him get pikin. This girl still get mind. Go meet this boy mama say, Mama oh, your pikin don't do the thing no. Say I don't get belle oh. The mama still talk say themself, them no want. The girl come look and say, okay now, as all of them no want, I go take care of my pikin by myself. Fine. The girl parents support her. They take care of this pikin. Along the road, this girl come, before she even born, she come meet one man, whether they call Mr. Lekon. This man, she tell the man, say, I get belle, and as matter be like this, the person wey get the belle no collect this thing. This man agree, say, yes, I go take care of you. I go take care of this pikin. This man even do introduction with this girl, come see as love be. The man love her to the extent, say, he introduce her to her people. They don't already, in fact, they don't already plan wedding. Her wedding don dey come up. E no tey, person wey get this pikin, like I say 5 months as this girl born her pikin finish. This Ibrahim, that is the papa, the real papa of this pikin, come outside say he wan do DNA for this pikin. The girl say okay na, no wahala, as you wan do am. They do this DNA, they see say na this Ibrahim get the pikin. You no tey, this girl don already fix wedding date with this Mr. Lekon. This boy come. In fact, this boy, something dey worry him. He come say he won't come marry this girl. The place now here, this whole thing even vex me. And the girl papa sef come gree. Say make the boy bring him family. Make they come collect wedding list. See as we dey ungrateful. Man, we don't take care of your daughter, take care of him pikin. You don't forget that man. That one we don already plan the wedding. The wedding don't already reach, you don't already even near. Another person come. You can't say make come collect wedding list. Which kind of mumu talk be this one now? But as it be, 2 months pass. This boy no even carry any family self come. Say one come collect wedding list. After some time, the boy come call the papa, in father-in-law, I hear say me and your pikin no dey compatible. So you know say na dem no dey compatible before you go give this girl belle in the first place. You no see other one, you no even reason all that kind thing. But as him talk say they no dey compatible now, that means wedding don scatter. The other man self wey she get, that one self don't leave am. Who can they lose for this matter now? But as it be, as everything scatter, this mumu girl, in fact, they call her mumu girl because the girl no even get sense. Come say, this Ibrahim, that is her former husband, been her boyfriend, we give am belle, come invite her. Say, make she come one restaurant. Where they call the restaurant? Kingfisher. Say this restaurant there for Lekki. I no can understand. You wey be girl, you don't know what you want. This man, they follow you. This one will give you belle. He leave you. Talk say he no want. He still can't call you. Come say, make an go chop. Now, because of food, you can't go there. Now, as this girl go there, this girl talk say, this man beat her, beat her, blow her for mouth, assault her. See, after everything, she can't even faint. I can't they wonder, as this man, they beat you, people not there for there. So the restaurant, as it be like that, now only you and the man, they say, this man beat you, so tell you faint. The man can't kidnap your pikin for your hand. This kind of story, I never, in fact, you know, they add up. Because I know the girl shall show video, picture of where her mouth don't swell up. But I don't understand, as they beat you, you don't call anybody, you don't feel shout, you don't feel do anything. But she should talk saying somebody pretend, somebody there, they say the person no be waiter, be event planner. The person just there, they pretend. Say now the two of them carry the pikin go. Say since then, they don't see this pikin again. So she never even see her pikin. Until one day, they come call her for Ikeja. Say make she come. As she reach there, she see her pikin. that her 11 months pikin with this Mr. Ibrahim wey be her husband. Say this pikin don dey somehow, the pikin dey look somehow. Say e be like say this boy don go use this in pikin for fetish reasons. That means he don wan go use this pikin to do something. I come dey wonder, you wey born your own pikin, you wan use your pikin to do blood money. Why you no go outside abi go find person wey be say go do this thing for you? Na your own blood pikin. That means that time wey this man do DNA test, he get reason na wey make am do am. He get reason. Maybe the babalawo don tell am say bring your own blood. Na make am, and the girl sef talk say this man don even go give another person sef belle for outside. So e be like say this boy know wetin he dey do. This small boy now, they say 25 years old. You don already give to, you be father of all nations. You wan turn to two-face. You never even finish. Now wow. Now the whole thing, this other lady sef wey get belle, you sure sef say your pikin sef, they no wan use am do blood. They no wan go use am do blood money, be one kind ritual thing. But as e be, the girl talk say her papa na even ex-commander for navy officer be something. Say they don't go this Ikeja police, they don't try beg these people, say may they give am in pikin. These people they no gree. Say Ibrahim, bless Ibrahim, don't bribe all of them. So anything where Ibrahim talk, na them they answer. And now Oju Kokoro, longer throat. Now, in fact, now catch this girl parent and the girl. Because if say you stay with this your Mr. Lekon, no, all this kind of wahala now, you no go dey face am. But because of say longer throat, wetin you go chop? You can't leave person. Maybe this Ibrahim now get money pass this Lekon. Now make you can't decide say, you want go follow Ibrahim. And this girl they talk say this pikin dey unkept. That means the boy no even take care of this pikin at all. And all this one, I see am as evidence. As this guy no fit take care of your pikin, you suppose carry this one sef, go use and face am for court. Say this man no go fit take care of your pikin, and him get bad plan for this pikin. This one a big reason sef for court to release this pikin for you. As e be like this, I don't know as they want to do am, but the best thing, carry this man go court. No be about say you wan come stay for social media. They tell people if you no see anybody for social media wey go help you, wetin you wan do? Go court, go face this man. Make una face una sef. Your parents sef get money. You say him be army commander, be something commander for navy. That means he sef get mouth now. He suppose know people wey be say they go fit help you. Anyway, as this matter be like this, make una comment I don't know as they want to be how they go share the pikin or be how they go take do the pikin. But the best advice now, make this pikin dey with the mama. If time reach, the pikin go talk say, okay, I won't go here, I won't go here. Then the pikin go decide. But as the matter be like this, make una sef comment anything wey una feel about this matter. Make una no forget to write am for the comment section. Then make una no forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel as I go see you for our next video.